Hello, and welcome back to the Patient Guard YouTube channel. Today we're focusing on a key aspect of medical device compliance that's often underestimated but incredibly important: labeling. Whether you're launching a device in the EU, US, or beyond, proper labeling is critical to ensure safety, usability, and regulatory approval. Medical device labeling isn't just about the label you stick on a product. It includes everything from your device's packaging and instructions for use to symbols and warnings. Labeling is the primary way manufacturers communicate essential information to users, healthcare providers, and even regulators. And it's not just about compliance, it's about ensuring users can safely and effectively use your device. Different regions have their own requirements for medical device labeling. Let's look at the key ones. 1 EU MDR, labeling must comply with Annex 1, focusing on general safety and performance requirements, GSPRs. This includes clear identification of the device, warnings, and symbols standardized by ISO 1522312. US FDA, devices must meet FDA labeling requirements, which emphasize clear instructions and ensuring the labeling is not misleading. 3 UK MHRA, post-Brexit, UKCA marking requirements also apply. Let's break down what should appear on your medical device label. Device name and unique identifier. Clearly identify your product. Manufacturer and authorized representative details. Include contact information. Symbols and safety information. Use standardized symbols for consistency. Intended use and indications. Make it clear who the device is for and what it does. Warnings and precautions. Highlight potential risks and safe handling practices. Lot or serial number. Ensure traceability for post-market surveillance. Your instructions for use, or IFU, is a critical part of your labeling. It should provide clear, concise directions for using the device, maintenance and cleaning instructions, warnings and troubleshooting tips. Remember, the language must be user-friendly and translated into all official languages of the countries where your device is marketed. Labeling can be tricky. Some common challenges include overloading the label with too much information, misusing or omitting standardized symbols, not updating labels after design or regulatory changes, and let's not forget translations. Errors here can lead to non-compliance or user confusion. So, how do you get it right? Here are a few tips. 1. Familiarize yourself with ISO 1522231 and ISO 2417 for harmonized labeling standards. 2. Use a clear design template and labeling software to ensure consistency. 3. Regularly review and update your labels to reflect any product or regulatory changes. 4. Test your labels for durability and usability under real-world conditions. At Patient Guard, we specialize in helping medical device manufacturers navigate labeling requirements. From reviewing your current labels to ensuring compliance with MDR, FDA, and other global regulations, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Need help with your medical device labeling? Contact us today or visit our website for more resources. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more medical device compliance tips. See you next time.